guys, it's me, Crystal, with a touch of Crystal, and I'm back. I did the haul yesterday, and well, for the last video. For me, it was yesterday, but for you guys, it was the last video. But I did the haul from Temu, and now I'm going to try to get the laundry room together. I'm not going to keep the camera on and stay and like just run it, because what's been happening is my battery is no longer any good, and I had to order another battery from Canon so that I can keep like switching out the batteries, charging them up and switching them out, because I've only been working on one and have not been doing well with that. But I sent my husband is gone to work, and I hadn't even made up my bed yet, but I felt like I needed to get this together. And then, because I am in the middle of washing clothes and stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys my laundry room. Don't y'all talk about it. Don't talk about me either, because it's horrible. It's real horrible. And this is cleaned up compared to what it was, so I'm gonna really clean it up some more. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it looked like. Dun, 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 dun. This is what it looks like right here. It is junky. I know I could have threw that in the trash. I put it up there and I forget and cut off that light and walk on. These shoes are clean. This is her product. These shoes are clean. I'm going to move all my hair products and stuff upstairs. Yeah, I'm just going to have to break down and do it. This is my workstation. I got to wash my husband's jacket. This is some mohair products over here. This is some more cleaning products in that bag. And this is the space that I'm working with. It's a lot of space. You know what I'm saying? Let me go all the way to the back. That's the door. You know, you getting almost a full view of the door. So yes. I just gotta clean this up, guys. I really do. Now, the closet next door, like on this side, over here, is it's a closet, but I just use it to store like cleaning products. So I need to buy a shelf to put in that closet, so I can take like this kind of stuff and put it over there. Like I need to take one of these Febreze upstairs. I need to put this actually supposed to go in the kitchen for when we cooking meat and stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you the progress. I'm not gonna keep it on because my battery will go dead. I've realized yesterday my battery's just not in good standings with me. It's upset with me. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys once I get all of this cleared off what it looks like. Okay, see you soon. So I have actually cleaned off everything here. It's kind of blurry, but I cleaned off everything. I just gotta clean off the top, and then I'm gonna start stacking up what the little thing and adjust this here, the things that I got. And I was gonna hang up a sign before I did it. I bought this sign here. Where did I buy it from? I think Hobby Lobby. I bought this sign here. Yeah, so I'm thinking about hanging it here, but then I'm thinking about hanging it here as you walk in, because reason why not here is because eventually I want to get cabinets to go across here so I can have storage for some of my things. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys everything else, but I just need to dust and clean up. So yeah, that's all it is. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so I hung up the sign. It says laundry open 24/7. So yes, and we're gonna go in and see what I have done. I absolutely like it. It's something that I just did. So that came out for Temu. I showed you guys that in the Temu haul. And this I have to replace it because it in the garage, the mist at the other house, when we dried, the moisture in the air kind of corroded that and this one. So I'm gonna go to glass. I will go back to Hobby Lobby and get 2 of these to match the glass. But the black goes well, and I could do black again because again this room has a vent, so it won't be so sweaty. I do need to get a bottle for the bleach, and then these are all my Bath and Body Work what is it called, scent boosters and laundry detergent. I use that for my sheets. But yes, this is, I like this here. I don't have to buy bottles for this or whatever, just use this here. I'm probably going to put a piece of a tray underneath here or something, like a glass, or probably go to Dollar Tree and see if they have like a rectangle thing to put underneath there, so when this is not up here, it can it won't drip onto this and I can keep it clean. And then I showed you guys again this here in the Temu haul as well. And then this thing here on top of the washer and dryer, I purchased it on Amazon before we moved out of the other house, so I was using this over there. So yes, and it came with the, let me show you, it came with this little thing, so I just put that underneath it so it'll have a grip and it won't move so easily. So yes, I put this here, but I'm going to add what are those cloths called, my microfiber cloths. I'm just gonna roll them up and just add them there. That's all I'm gonna do. It's actually a plate holder, but I'm using it for that because I have no need for it as a plate holder. And then I showed you guys the laundry side. I still want to put some other things there. I do have some sconces that I said I was going to put on each side that I'm not using for anything, but then I just was like, No, I'll put other, I'm just gonna make this a collection wall of laundry signs. So that's what I said I wanted to do. So I could just kind of like fill it up with like laundry signs, because there's nothing else that I'm doing with it. So yeah, and then let me come over here. So this is where I'll just place the laundry basket set or whatever with the dirty clothes. So these pictures were in my bathroom at the other house. They were sitting in the closet. I took my hair products out of here and my equipment and put it in the closet next door to here, so that we could actually I could put, it's easier for me to move my things and put them where I need to put them. So for me, it makes it a lot easier. So I just hung this picture up. I got these pictures from Roses, and then these sconces from an estate sale, I think, yeah, I got these from an estate sale, because the other ones I said I was going to put up on this other wall with the laundry sign. I was going to put, those sconces came from the Goodwill. So, yeah, so that's all I did. And then I added the rug here, which I'm actually liking my laundry room. It's something that I hate to do, which is laundry, but I'm actually liking it now. So, yes, this is it for me. So only thing, and yeah, my mopping stuff is right here, but that's fine. I'm liking everything. It looks much cleaner than what it did. I can't complain. Now once I find the cabinets that I'm gonna put, because I just want to put like a cabinet here, like maybe 1, 2, 3, and then I'll still have all of that over there open. But I just want to put like some cabinets here, and I may find some reclaimed cabinets on Facebook Marketplace or something like that. Something that nobody's used that I can paint myself. That's like bare when you first purchase them out the store, because they're expensive. But I only need like maybe 2 or 3. And I want to be able to do that. I did want to put a sink over here, like a shampoo bowl, and I still may do it. Put a portable shampoo bowl here, and can run the hose to over there for, you know, where the washer drains and stuff like that, and put a splinter on the hose so I can get water coming to the sink or coming to the washer, whichever one I'm using. And that way I can shampoo whoever I need to shampoo in here. But, and then like this little space right here, I can put my shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to use for that client. So yeah, again, I am at home doing hair. I do not work in a salon anymore. But yes, I still have to clean up that stuff over there. I just got that out of the way for right now. But yeah, this is what I've done so far, and I'm loving it, guys, because now it feels like a laundry room. I do want to add more lighting in here. I have to clean that light off, because here was where the leak was when we moved in from upstairs, but the contractor came in and fixed that. But we just still have to get the crack fixed. So yeah, but for the most part, I just need more lighting. But this light, I want to change this light out. This light needs to be changed out, and then from a yellow bulb to a white bulb, and that way it'll be brighter in here. And I also may plug in like a little lamp somewhere right here. I don't want it to be too crowded or cluttered, but for the most part, I just want it to look nice. So if somebody, you know, stays here with us or whatever, and they want to use the laundry room, they can, and it looks nice or whatever. You know, that's just me. I will find a place for all my cleaning products to go. Mostly I have 2 spaces under the sink. In the kitchen, one under the sink and one beside under the sink. So I think I'm gonna put the other cleaning products there, if that makes sense. My shampoo and stuff will go in the closet on the side of us. And then I actually added in, let me show you guys. I put that side up. They're little. I thought they were big, but I'm gonna use them anyway. They're little, but it's big enough for somebody to see. So it says bathroom, and again, that one says laundry room. So yeah. But this will conclude this video, and I want to thank you guys for supporting me. First and foremost, thank you so much. I'm actually loving, at first I did not like my YouTube journey, but now I'm loving it. I'm actually excited about it, and I want to thank you guys, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't, you know, I mean, first God, I wouldn't be here, but if it wasn't for you supporting me, I wouldn't be here. But remember, if there's someone you are upset with, forgive them, because forgiveness is not for them, but it is for you, and life is too short. Be blessed, be safe, be prosperous. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. Please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of every time that I upload a video. And if you are an old goodie, I want to say welcome back, and again, thank you, and thank you. I surely and truly appreciate each and every one of you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.